this video, I'm going to share how you can generate thousands of leads in minutes. No matter where you're located, no matter what your niche is. Whether you are a freelancer, a marketer, an agency owner, a virtual assistant in need of clients, this video is for you. I will show you a free method on how to generate unlimited leads. This is exclusive information. You will not get it for free elsewhere. So kindly hit the subscribe button. But did you know that 66% or 66.2% of you who are watching this video are not subscribed to my channel yet? So if my video have been helpful for you in any way, really, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This helps me stay motivated to bring to you free content. This channel is free education. This will help me stay motivated to bring free, valuable content, just like this one you're about to watch now. So kindly hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and families, okay? And click the like button as well so this video can reach a wider audience. Let's start with the basics. What is a lead? A lead is an individual or a business with the potential to become a customer in the future. For example, as an influencer VA and a creator, anyone seeking support with social media management. What is happening? Who is flashing me now? Anyone seeking support with social media management, content creation, video editing. And NAPA happened. Wow, this is my life. Anyone seeking support with social media management, content creation, content calendar, a business coach who needs support with scheduling are both leads. Essentially, anyone who can benefit from your expertise and eventually work with you qualifies as a lead. Now, lead generation refers to the process of finding and gathering potential clients for your product or service. This involves collecting business names, websites, social media links, and more, so you can follow up later. There are both free and paid tools for lead generation. But before we get started, it's essential that you understand the industry or your industry and your target audience. For instance, I focus on entrepreneurs, content creators, influencers, coaches needing virtual assistants or digital marketing support. However, the strategy I'm going to share with you now works across industries, so you don't have to worry. Now, let's talk about the methods. The first method we're going to use is Google Map. Surprise? No, let's do it.
You want to come to this tiny boxes here and click on Maps, and your Google Map is going to pop up. So come to the search bar and search for the title and the location of your potential clients. All right, so for me, I'm going to search for coaches. Let's say New York, right? You can use any location you want and you click enter. So here we have the targeted industry and the location. You will see a list of businesses with their websites and names. Click on one, visit the website, collect details. You might tell collect. I'm a Potaka guess, so and collect details such as business name, first name and last names, social media links, and email address. Okay, normally you want to write a personalized compliment for each lead that you gather, whether it's about their website, their social media, the services you provide, their pain point. And make sure to do that for free. Make sure to watch this video on the screen. Okay, I know people struggle with sending personalized emails, and you can only do that with paid platforms, right? You can only automate that with paid platforms. But on this video on the screen right now that you should watch next, I showed you how you're going to do that for free. You know, I don't hoard information on this channel. And by the way, registration for the third wave of VASP, the Virtual Assistant Simulation Program, my signature program, is on. Registration is on. Make sure to use the link in the description to sign up. Sign up. Don't snooze before registration will be closed, or I have the capacity I'm going to be working with for the third wave and I will close registration. Okay, if you sign up late, it's going to affect you. Okay, all right, so that's it. That's the first method. What you want to do next is to add all of the collected information to a Google Sheet, a spreadsheet, Excel sheet, right? And repeat the process as many times as possible. Again, you can get like 50 to 100 if you want. Now let's move on to the next free method where we're going to use ChatGPT, the AI tool. Yes, we're using ChatGPT and Google search. So for that, you want to come to your Google and type site colon instagram.com content creators. That's the ideal client, your ideal client, the location gmail.com. Start by going to Google and search for these. Make sure to pause this video so you can get it properly. Whether your target audience are influencers, your target audience are coaches, your target audience, just key in your target audience here. And speaking of target audience, if you don't know who your target audience is, that means you've just been throwing spaghetti on the wall and you want to get my shameless outreach guide, okay, where I walk you through all of this. Because 2025, we're not lying. You have to, even if it's just your first high paying client you're going to land in 2025, you will. So the link is in the description as well. While you're clicking the link to sign up for VASP, click and get that guide. Okay, so these are the instructions or the inputs you want to put in your Google search bar. Press enter. It's going to display Instagram profiles that have public Gmail addresses. So what I want to do now is to copy all of this. Just click on Control A, Control C, you copy, and the next place we're going to head to is ChatGPT. So here you want to paste the data that we've copied and use the prompt on the screen that I'm about to add to this now. I'm going to leave it in the description as well. ChatGPT will clean up the list, remove duplicates, and organize the data into a CSV file. The next thing you want to do is to paste the CSV data into an Excel sheet and use this process for different industries and locations. As you can see here, we have their first name, which is super important. Don't worry about the last name, their Instagram handle, and their email addresses.
If you have a budget for your lead generation, an excellent tool you should look out for is Apollo.ai, yeah, and Get Response. Though these tools offer free versions, they come with limitations. To unlock their full potential, it's worth investing a small amount. If you're an entrepreneur, you can outsource your lead generation. This can save you time. If you're a freelancer, you can provide this service to your clients as a lead generator. I called it lead generator in one of my section with my students and they were laughing at me. Yeah, I don't know if that's a name, but it's something I came up with as a lead generator. And you can charge premium for this service. So once your lead list is ready, it's time to send outreach messages and emails. A great strategy is to personalize the email. This makes it feel more personal and less like you're sending the email to hundreds of people. Start with a greeting using their name. Include a compliment about their business, their website, or their social media account, social media platforms, whatever you want to use. Identify a specific pain point or challenge they are likely facing. Introduce yourself and share how your service can solve their problem with clear benefits. End it with a call to action, a CTA, yeah, inviting them for a meeting, free discovery meeting. You can use Calendly for this. You can use Google Calendar for this. It's free. Don't just use ChatGPT and copy and paste. People know this. You don't cast. Don't do it. Okay? If you watch this video, I will show you how you can automate this for free. I'll see you there. Bye.